Hi guys, it's me Vibhinta once again and welcome back to another episode of the Essential Makeup series. Trust me guys, I think this mascara is your one and only best beauty friend. Even if I hadn't done all of this eye, I had no time to do eyeshadow or anything. If I just apply mascara and I do it right, it's enough to make my eyes look sizzling. The mascara instantly opens up your eyes, makes small eyes look bigger, tired eyes look brighter, and gives you an instant lift. And the trick behind it is the fact that it curls your lashes up, lifts them, and frames the eyes in the most natural possible. So always, if I have to give you one beauty trick, you must always stick to when it comes to makeup, use mascara. Okay? So I'm going to show you the correct way to apply mascara. Okay, step 1. If you've got eyeshadow on, take a clean spoolie brush, mascara brush, and dust off your lashes. Brush them up, clean them out from the top, and push them back up. Now, step 2, take your mascara. You never pump your wand in the mascara. It only introduces air bubbles. So you just gently twist and pull, and that way your mascara should come out evenly. Take the excess, wipe it off on the edge, and starting from under the lash upwards is the first stroke that we do. We do this because doing this takes my lashes and pushes them up, right? I've got naturally very curled lashes, so I don't use an eyelash curler. But if you can use an eyelash curler, it's going to take your mascara game to the next level. Okay, so this. Half closed eyes, looking straight ahead and applying your mascara. I'm going to show you a very quick trick of what happens if you do this by mistake, right? So now if I've got mascara on my face, how do I take it off? Don't panic, don't start rubbing. Leave it. This is a super easy way to remove any mistakes that you make with mascara. Just let it be. Finish doing your mascara. Now, once I've done it from the inside, it's time to do the top. Curl and pull, curl and pull. I know a lot of people don't do this step, but see, that's what makes the difference. Can you see just a bottom layer versus top and bottom? Now, whatever, I like to finish one eye first, so whatever's on my wand, I'm just gonna take and do like a wiggly motion. Don't ignore your lower lashes because otherwise it's not balanced. Especially if you're doing a lot on your top lashes, please do a little bit on your lower lashes. I'm gonna leave it like this and move to my next eye, including that little black spot. You see this? And now this is where we take mascara wand, hold it and go. Brush your lashes out while they're semi-dry. And now it's time to take care of this little spot, okay? Remember I said let it be. Here's the trick. Take tissue, cotton bud, pretty much anything. Keep it dry. And do this. When mascara is dry, it just comes off so easily. So Never try to take off a mascara mistake when the mascara is wet. Let it dry and you can just pick it off. I did a few here as well, so there, that's it. Genius, no? Now, while this is good and you can stop here, but if you really want to create the same impact like fake lashes, do a second coat. The brushing in between is really important because it really keeps them natural and gives you wow volume. Okay, second coat. Do you see the second coat? That's what it does. Now, I tend to buy a lot of these drugstore mascaras primarily because I buy one and throw it away every 2 to 3 months, and that's because mascara is something, it goes really close to my eyes. Mascara is one of the makeup products that gets spoiled the fastest. We don't realize, but because it's moist, it's a liquid based product, it's a breeding ground for bacteria. These drugstore brands like Maybelline is really my favorite brand when it comes to mascara. I buy these. They're about 300 or 400 rupees, right, maximum, and they give great results. They're not some snob value fancy brand, but you know what, I'd rather buy these and chuck them away and get a new one every 2 to 3 months than buy a really expensive mascara and hold on to it and not throw it away, and that's not cool. Does that make sense? Because safety and hygiene is more important than anything else. So tip, yes, you need to change your mascara every 3 months. If you get even the slightest bit of like a chemical funky smell in it, time to chuck it and get a new one, and that's what I do. So now that I've done my second coat, I'm gonna brush this one out as well. It creates separation and keeps the volume, and there it is. And that's how you do great mascara. And this is the final look. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it some love and subscribe. See you next time.